shit. Butterflies look like birds. Fucking hell. Oh, it's a kite in that tree. Oh, Emma, stop it! Do a Baywatch run?
Yeah, go on.
I caught a ball on there. No. What happened? I'm there for the vote.
How lovely. Check the wind before you throw stuff, you gimp.
I didn't know, there's no wind. Clank. Dr. Frankie Plant. I'm back on my own list. Wait. I read talking wrong yesterday. As soon as you start to let it in, it's talking like this. You're thinking I'm space.
She's what we call special. Oh, you probably think you're great now.
What?
You think you're great now as I'm
No,
filming.
I am, Kate.
Yeah, it's a magpie.
What's stardom?
There's another one over there. Yeah. Once again, another pointless video.
No, because it's baby Christmas tree. Stop it!
That's what they put on the school food as decoration. We know this secret.
Christmas tree.
Okay, they put Christmas trees on our food.
Yeah, I don't eat school dinner, so I wouldn't know.